go to our very, very special guest, Brian Carr. This is an exclusive interview. This is Jodi Arias's new friend, you might say. We have video of him in court. There he is, spotlighted there. Brian, you have been in the courtroom, a regular presence. You visited Jodi almost weekly in jail. So what is Jodi Arias going through right now? We saw her crying today before the start of court, visibly upset, her eyes puffy. What is she going through as this trial proceeds?
Oh, she's getting very tired. She's very stressed out, but at the same time, she's very positive thinking. It's really taking a toll on her. It's very hard for her, especially with the sex tapes going in front of her family. She's taking it very hard right now.
How did you get to meet her, and why do you want to be such a loyal friend? I know you make it very clear you're not a romantic interest, not a boyfriend, and we discussed that before you came on, so I want to tell our viewers you're not a romantic interest. But how did you meet her, and why are you supporting her?
Why I'm supporting her is my sister was in a very abusive relationship. She was beaten numerous times from her ex-husband, and I went to visit Jodi. I was actually in the area and wanted to give her a supporting hand, reaching out to her. And I actually came getting to know Jodi, why I did these visits with her. And, yeah, support her. She's a great person. She's an amazing person. People have their opinions in America, but, I mean, what they're making Jodi out to be is not her whatsoever.
Well, Brian, and this is a friendly interview. I told you, I said, I'm not going to attack you. I don't attack anybody who comes on. I just let them tell their story.
Right.
But I guess people say, well, look at the crime scene, and she admits that she did it, and she did lie before, and she admits she lied. Do you have any understanding of why her story changed?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at her track record, she's never been in trouble a day in her life. She's never had problems with her ex-boyfriends. Well, I mean, the stories that she told about them, but she's never had no problems. She's never been in trouble with the law. She's a scared person, and that's one of the things you do when you get scared. You're going to change your stories, and the fear brings out the truth. Now here she is speaking the truth, saying it was in self-defense, and not one single person out there, including anybody, knows what happened behind. And besides her, behind closed doors. And you really can't judge that. Yeah, her stories might be a little shaky, but you can't doubt her either. I mean, and if you truly got to know her, I mean, it's hard not to believe her. I mean, she's a great person.
Why do you say she's a great person?
I mean, she's very talented. She always thinks positive. She has one of the biggest hearts. I mean, it's something that you would have to go see her or actually truly get to know her to understand. I have all remorse for Travis's friends, Travis's family, and Travis himself. But she actually showed proof of her finger being broken, where she got kicked in the hand. I mean, she has the proof. I mean, I know her stories have changed, but
yeah, actually, she also held up, we believe, and we're going to play it, that same hand, and said that the ninjas caused that injury.
I mean, she explained to me what happened when I went to visit her in jail. She claims that it was Travis as well. I mean, seeing that right there when I go visit her in jail, I mean, her finger is not the prettiest thing. I mean, her finger is injured for sure, and it's not going to heal anytime soon.